Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. As I've stated in previous videos, I am a day trader that is looking to start getting into swing trading on the daily and hourly charts. So I have a watch list, and we'll go down the watch list, see some of the zones that we're waiting for, some of the trades that I took, and let's see what's going on. So the first one is Apple. We're still waiting on this to come back down to our zone right between these two purple lines. So our top purple line is our entry, bottom purple line is the exit. And I do adjust these lines once the stock gets a little bit closer to it. So those are not the exact prices it's going to be, but it's right in that zone area. And so that was Apple. We're waiting on that one. Home Depot, this is one that I got in. And you see we came down to our zone right in this area here, and right in that area we went up. We got about 1.5 to 1, and then I moved my stop up to break even, and then you see it came down, stopped out at break even, so no win or loss on that. UPS, I'm still waiting for this to get back up to this zone and see if we're going to take it. Next one, PepsiCo. This one's still running up, and so we're still waiting to see if this one pulls back to our zone. ITB, another one waiting to see if it gets back to our zone. The next one, ROST, still waiting. ABBV, XHB, still waiting. Etsy, okay, so Etsy, see we had our big green candle here, big green candle. We have our zone right in this area here. And yesterday we came down, got into the zone and stopped out. So this one was a loss. I do a 2 to 1 right now, and I might change that as I'm learning how to do the daily charts. But I risk losing 1% of my account to gain 2%. So losing 1% is fine. Keep your losses low and your winners big. AU, this is one that got in today. So you see we have our big green candle here, big green candle. Go over here to the hourly, and we have our zone right here. And so we are in our zone. I actually have to adjust this. This stop is going to come down a little bit lower. I haven't gotten to that yet, but we're a little bit lower on that just for some slippage. But we'll see if we can run up here and get a 2 to 1 out of that. INSM, still waiting for this to pull back down. And Tech, I was in, see this zone right, oops. Let me get this highlighter here, see our zone right here. We came right back into our zone, bounced down, got almost to 2 to 1. And I then went down to the 15-minute chart. And you can see right in this area here, we have a base drop. So I moved my stop right above these candles here, right to this white line. And you can see we came and stopped out. So this one here made about 0.5%. So it's still doing pretty good so far learning these. The other stocks that I've done on some previous videos were winners, so I am way ahead. I am only trying to make 1% a month. 12 months, that would be 12% a year. Anything better than that, great. Even a little less than that, I'm happy with, but still trying to learn these zones. Now let's look and see 2 more zones that I found last night that we're waiting on. FSLR. Big green candle. So we go over to our hourly, put our zone right in this area here. And you see we have a bunch of little candles trickling down. So we'll see what happens when we get in our zone here. If we just go ahead and get in that when it hits the purple line, or if we're going to do a confirmation candle over candle entry. We'll see what's going on when it gets there. Next one, TEAM. This is a short. So you see we have a big drop here, drop, base, drop. So we come over to the hourly chart, and actually I did not use the hourly on this one, I don't believe. I didn't. I just went with the daily. So we have our drop, base, drop here, and this is the zone right in this area here. And again, I'll adjust these lines, but I'm going to wait and see if this can get back to our zone. Thanks for tuning in, and If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Make sure you hit the like button, and see you on the next video.